The youth here is motivated by two sports, field hockey and kabaddi, both being the state sports. Let us see a crossroad of the village. There's some hustle and bustle. There's a marketplace.
Vegetables, fresh vegetables, red tomatoes and green capsicum.
A bus stand.
Oh, it's too late. I will definitely miss my bus.
And some pedal rickshaws moving around. The time is early evening in winter. A kabaddi match is being played in an open land near the crossroad. Spectators are cheering for the teams.
Come on, we can catch him. Come on, catch him. Hooray! This is our second consecutive win. God bless us all.
Congratulations, it was a team effort.
Thank you all. Hello and congratulations to the winning team. May I have the captain of the winning team here?
The captain enters.
This is your second successive win. Can we know the secret behind your victory? Especially when it was getting difficult to overpower the opponent team. Thanks to the hard work of my team. To share with you the secret behind our success, let me take you to our village, Gurmukpur.
Seen in a village, Gurmukpur. Typical. Farmers are walking by with their farming tools. Children are playing along the streets. And some vendors are sitting with their goods displayed in baskets.
Toys, good quality toys, balls, everything I have. Come and buy them. Flowers, fresh fragrant flowers. Buy one, buy all. Welcome to Gurmukpur, sir. Thank you. Did I keep you waiting? Not much, sir. Meet Mr. Karan. He is the sarpanch of our village. He will take you around the village and share with you what is unique to our village.
No, sir. I greet you on behalf of Gurmukpur. I don't think that you mind walking down the streets.
Not at all. Please tell me why your boys are so confident to win every match they play.
Well, nothing magical about it actually. We have a cooperative society here in Gurmukpur which deals with grocery, green grocery, wheat, etc. We also have a bank which suffices the purpose of banking of the town. All of us have an account here, so the turnover is sizable.
Oh, that's great. So how does it work?
This bank is our lifeline. It caters to almost all the needs of our people.
Even the win of a kabaddi match?
Yes, please. All of us have an account here. The bank provides several facilities such as monthly deposits, term deposits, loans, etc. apart from the savings accounts. We take turns in the working of the bank. Apart from the fixed number of employees who are not more than 3. Each and every month, a lot of savings takes place. So, the salaries are huge. Let me take you to the bank. Meet Rishi and Mukesh. They are veterans at bank. Hello, sir.
Nice to meet you, sir.
We look small but do a large work. We give loans at almost negligible rate of interest. This ensures that the people willing to borrow are many. So the money is rotating constantly. Besides, we let our borrowers choose their monthly installment. Our borrowers do not have a long procedure to follow to borrow from us. Owing the small size of Gurmukpur and the fact that everybody knows, that the chances of non-repayment of loan are none.
But winning a match with banking support, how is that possible?
Ha ha! We give utmost importance to health and fitness. Sport is one of the most important components that the bank looks after. We not only give loans to the players' parents, but we also hold free coaching camps for kabaddi and hockey. Veterans of these sports are called to coach our team. Since the bank has good business, we can afford such expenses easily.
Well, a player is not a player alone, right sir?
Yes.
We take care of it. The time the student misses from the school is compensated by a special coaching given by the school teacher at a time suitable to both. The teacher who gives the child special coaching is given special allowance. So either the side is happy.
The bank also runs a cooperative society where grocery is available at less than market price. Again, the parents can afford to buy and keep the players well fed. A trained physiotherapist and a nurse are available on call, ensuring the physical well-being of the players.
Meet Vansh, is a player's father.
Hello sir, glad to meet you. Tell me something unique about Gurmukhpur's second win in the last 2 years.
Well, many aspects have been shared. I will share a really unique aspect about our love for sports and games. We organize friendly matches for hockey and kabaddi, but each spectator to a game buys a ticket for the match. Again, a revenue is generated. This time, money thus collected partly goes into the future fund for the players' well-being, and remaining part is distributed among the players as their remuneration.
This adds to their self-respect as they remain well earned. Also, after a player retires from the game, it is compulsory for him to coach the next generation of players. Now, is there any reason why we should lose any of the matches? All the resources, financial and human, are out into these two games, hockey and kabaddi.
Well, we treat these two sports as our full-time enterprise, and one doesn't fail if one manages to the smallest details. Our players get all that they want and always have the sport as the first priority. Jai Hind!
What a wonderful job. You can really brag upon bank. Jai